¿Vas a hacerle el arroz? Yo!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what was that?
Are you crying?
Yeah, because like I don't know, my face starts to, or my eyes start to kind of, I don't know why. Okay.
I'll do the intro.
No.
Hey
Okay.
guys.
Alright. I'm just gonna get this over with. If I laugh, I'm sorry. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try some new products. No, it's just cracked a little bit. So, okay, pero dámela. In love with the coco.
Oh my god.
That's the name of it.
Papa? Don't spray me. Okay.
Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a black and brown smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to spray my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. I'm going to apply some Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C6 to prime my eyelids. And then I'm going to take the Airspun Translucent Powder to set them so that there's no blotchiness since I'm dealing with dark colors today. For today, I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I'm going to take the shade Silk Cream on a Real Techniques Luxe crease brush and put this all over my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Mocha on a Real Techniques base shadow brush and put this right under my crease where I put the first brown shade. Next, I'm going to take the shade Abyss on a Borghese 105 concealer brush and pack it on my lid and slightly blend it upwards. Right above that, I'm going to apply the shade Mocha with a similar brush to blend it even better. Here, I just took some Pond's cold cream and a baby wipe to clean up my eye because the fallout was driving me crazy. And while I was at it, I just cleaned up the edge, and then I went ahead and did the same exact thing on the other eye. I'm going to apply the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown as a base for some glitter that I'm going to put in my inner corner. I'm going to take a glitter palette from Hard Candy, and I'm going to use the first top shade and put it right on top of the highlighter that I put in my inner corner. And I'm going to quickly spray my face again with the coconut primer water. This is a new product that I recently bought and I was really excited to try. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum. I just applied it all over my face and it felt literally like a serum, but it was also priming my face for my foundation. To add more glow to my face, I'm going to use the Milani Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer in the shade 01 New Glow. I've really been liking this stuff under my foundation. It gives a really nice glow, so if you guys been looking for something glowy, you should totally try this out. Today for foundation, I tried out the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F7. I really enjoyed this foundation. It was really full coverage. I just need to use a more hydrating primer next time because it was like clinging onto my face and it was not cute. I was blending this out with the Real Techniques buffing brush, and then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and finish blending it out. For concealer today, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C6 as well, and put it everywhere where I put it to highlight. And I'm gonna go ahead as well and set it with the Airspun translucent powder. Here I was taking the Real Techniques buffing brush again to buff out my skin because it was looking way too powdery. For lashes today, I used the Salon Perfect Demi Wispies and I applied it with the Kiss Strip Adhesive, and it's the best lash glue ever. You should definitely go check it out. And I applied the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara to combine my lashes with the falsies. I took a Maybelline waterproof gel eyeliner pencil to tightline my lash line. And as I was applying mascara on my other eye, I made like a huge glob on my nose, so that was annoying. And here, I don't know what I was doing. I started to bake when I hadn't even bronzed or contoured, so I had to wipe it off and bronze. But before I went ahead and bronzed, I decided to bake under my eyes. And I recently got the Tarte's Pro Glow and Blush palette. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the Solo shade in this palette and bronze my face. I really like this palette, and I know that I still have that mascara on my nose. I'm going to take it off in a little bit with a little comb. I was just letting it dry so it doesn't smudge. I had to apply a little bit of foundation like on the black part because it didn't all come off. Some of it smudged. Here I just took a little bit of the bronzer and put it on my nose. I wasn't trying to contour my nose. I just wanted to add some color because I found it too light. That same palette, I used the blush shade Amp and put it on my cheeks. And now I'm going to clean up my contour or bronzer with that same Airspun powder. I'm just going to take my NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel and put it on my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take the black shade Abyss and put it up against my lower lash line. And right below that, I'm just going to blend in the shade Mocha. Here I was just applying a little bit more of the glitter from earlier in my inner corner. And then I decided to apply some eyeliner in my waterline. I applied some mascara to my lower lashes, and I'm just cleaning off my lips with a baby wipe and taking off the foundation and concealer that got onto them. And I applied a little bit of lip balm on. And for highlighter, I used the shade Hi-Fi on the Tarte palette and just put it wherever I highlight my face. And I just wiped away my bake, and I'm going to apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped to my lips. And for the last time, I'm going to spray my face one more time with the coconut water to set it. Alright guys, that is all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications so you get a notification every time I post a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below some video ideas you guys want to see. Make sure you head over to my Instagram, makeup.by.yamila, and give it a follow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!